You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or don't kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
Kelle odotan? Chasuli alkoi.
Hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Al-Qatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Al-Qatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Al-Qatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go.
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant Hadir.
Your CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Did you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Bartos men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
Marhaba leaders and Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
Ham Sarah. Yalla. American?
Zalame Kafu. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me. Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and the women. They will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Will Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment.
Men on the work line! Women to the trucks!
This is where we split up. You'll need to comply to blend in. Get through that main door. I'll find you on the other side.
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Kazakhstan who refuse to learn the lesson that will keep them safe and bring them peace and prosperity.
I'm through.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
А ну стой!
Karim? Diri balak achalik ikti. You're resourceful. Good. Let's go. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon. Check civilian cars. I'll keep watch on the guards.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right. Go around the truck. Right side.
Рабочая сила. Баб, прислуга, мужиков на каторгу. Как он говорит.
You get two.
Хозяйство
I'll take the
все
rest.
сгодится. Какого черта?
Clear. Stay low. Move in. Alex, inside. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно, могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep.
Take two. I'll take that.
Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Her sacrifice will not be in vain.
Follow me. I'll lead.
And if I General Buck, will be made an example of.
What is this?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down.
I know what you do.
Do you understand why we do this? They hang because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
Let's get moving.
We can live peacefully, but only if we help each other.
This is a goddamn war crime.
It is the
Punishment
terrorists
for
who
the
cause
stolen
this
gas.
pain for all of us.
Barkov blames us for stealing.
Unite
can we
our
do?
causes. Expose these terrorists.
Accomplish our mission and put an end to Barkov's cruelty forever. Through here, up the ladder. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to the attic.
Them explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
Insurgents continue to launch senseless attacks in the name of so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country. There can be no order and no peace until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated. I am prepared. And a man
Guards on the entry.
Мужчины там!
If you
Шевелись!
engage, try not to be seen.
There is no judge or jury here. There is only crime and punishment.
Two down.
Nice.
One by one, we will eliminate these agitators from our streets and create a safe place to work and prosper under my rule. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Urzikstan.
I'm at the target.
These freedom fighters
You know what to do.
and collaborators threaten the safety and security of those who follow them. Today, they will be
Charge set. This will make one hell of a distraction.
That's the plan.
those who
Now get to the other helicopter.
defeated
stairs. Stop. There's the guard. Top of the stairs, left side. Now, move up. Got you covered.
You got cat-like reflexes.
I'm more of a dog person.
Charges set.
By an army of thieves and terrorists.
Regroup on my position.
We will root out these interventionists and hold this territory forever. There will be no victory for our enemies. Only death.
Work your way back here, Alex. We're clear. It's time.
Russia is here to defend your lives,
Blow it.
your liberty, your
Fire enough.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now this way.
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops from the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the trucks are undefended. We'll take them out now. Under this truck. More are coming. Follow close. Marching it. For when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attacks before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnel under Tarek's.
Shit! Right, Alex, go right!
Holy shit!
Window!
What the hell is this?
Alex, get down.
Don't move. Keep your head still.
В этот раз до них дойдет.
Accept. Shoot the left. Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look, reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
He lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.